Now, I hope you guys will forgive me for trying to get this review done as quickly as possible. This is the ThruNite TN12 Pro. Now, in yesterday's video, I mentioned that this is probably the most impressive light, dollar for dollar, that I've ever had in this style. And I figured this was the perfect opportunity to cover it in a very short span. So I was challenged by Moorlander EDC today to do what he calls his 4-minute fix, which is doing a very quick review of a product in only 4 minutes. So I have 4 minutes on the timer right now, and we are going to just go for it. Oh, I gotta unlock it first. All right, ready? 4 minutes on the clock, let's go. So this is the ThruNite TN12 Pro. And as I've said before, this light really blew my mind because it seems that they had done a number of things improved over even the BSS V5. The user interface is almost identical, but they also have a perfect high mode in addition to everything else. The other thing that they have changed is they are using a completely different emitter. And this emitter is something that I'm now paying very close attention to because a number of flashlights that I really like have it in it. And I'm just gonna double check the name. The SFT40. So this is the same emitter that you will find also in the FC12 that I reviewed earlier today, and also in the Sofrin IF22A, which is a really high-powered thrower. So this emitter is able to project a very concentrated beam at a very long distance. That means even though it only has 1900 maximum lumens, it has 36,000 candela and a maximum reach of 360 meters. So with all that, this light is damn near perfect. It has the tail switch, which gives you the maximum 1900 lumen output, the side switch, which will pull up the ultra low mode and everything else. And it comes with their spare silicone covers, an extra spring for the back end of the flashlight when that wears out, a lanyard, a charging cable, and at $40, which is what it's running right now, I don't think you can beat it in value. Even the FC12 cannot beat it right this very moment with it being discounted down to $40. Definitely want to pick one of these up, no question. This is probably one of the best offerings I've seen from ThruNite. It's weird that I keep one-upping myself throughout the last couple weeks, but this is definitely the flashlight to get in this type. It also has a maximum runtime of 37 days in its lowest mode. Yeah, this is not one to miss. And I still have 1 minute and 45 seconds left. So I gotta say, it has been a really cool journey with all of these flashlights. And I think at this point, I have pretty much nailed down a group, almost 4 or 5 flashlights that are all really, really good. So just to recap, the TN12 Pro, the FC12 from Workhorse, the BSS V5, and the Sofrin SC31T. These 4 flashlights are very close to each other. They have a slight tweak between them. All of them have great user interfaces, and all of them have great outputs. You can't go wrong with any of them, but definitely I would have to say that the, so many different names here. The TN12 Pro is the one I would probably recommend today. And you wanna get this today, it's $39.99 versus $50. Even at $50, it's very, very good. But definitely don't miss out on this. This is your last chance on the early access. Now it's possible this might go on sale again later in the year, but yeah, this is where you need to go. So I'm gonna stop it at 36 seconds. I think we pretty much covered it. I'm gonna put a link to all the flashlights I just talked about. You can't go wrong with any of them. And 3 of the 4 are actually on sale, and the other one has a 20% discount code that I will include as well. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Do I have to wait till the last 16 seconds? I'm gonna skip it. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll talk again soon.